Now, consider this question. We are asked to prove that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So we have that root of 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So for us to simplify things, we are going to multiply the left-hand side by the conjugate of the denominator. So therefore, this becomes root of 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta, and the conjugate of denominator is given as root of 1 minus sine theta divided by root of 1 minus sine theta, and we're to show that this is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Now from solve, recall that if I have root A multiplied by root B, this can be expressed as root of A times B. So therefore, I will have this to be root of 1 minus sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine theta divided by, I will have it to be root of 1 plus sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine theta, and everything should be equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Again, recall that if I have root of A times A, this is equal to root of A squared, and square will cancel out root, this is equal to A. So we apply this as the numerator. So we have that this is root of 1 minus sine theta all squared, and this will be divided by, now the denominator is a difference of 2 squared. So therefore, it is given as root of 1 minus sine squared theta. Now, what I did here to obtain this was that I expanded the bracket. So if we expand this bracket, this expression here will be reduced to 1 minus sine squared theta. And this should be equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So at this point, square will cancel out root. So for the numerator, we'll be left with 1 minus sine theta divided by, also recall that from trig identity that cos theta is equal to root of 1 minus sine squared theta. So at this point, we replace this by cos theta. So we have that this becomes cos theta, and this should be equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So the left-hand side can now be expressed as 1 divided by cos theta minus sine theta divided by cos theta. Now, from trig ratio, the reciprocal of cos is given as sec theta, and also sin theta divided by cos theta is given as tan theta. So therefore, we have shown that the left-hand side is equal to sec theta minus tan theta, which is the right-hand side. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us to reach more audience by subscribing to our video, and also like this video. Thank you so much for doing that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.